Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use the motor driver IC L293D. Here this is the IC L293D IC and we have 4 inputs. With these 2 input, we are going to control this motor, and with these 2 input, we are going to control this motor. Anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and like this it will work. So we are going to see this circuit. So let's get started. This video is third part on H-bridge. In the first part, I already explained the basic working of H-bridge circuit using switch. In the second part, I explained how to make H-bridge circuit using transistor. And in the fourth part, I'll explain how to use L293D IC with Arduino. All the link of the video is given in the description below. Now come to today's video, that is third part. This is the pin diagram of L293D IC. Pin number 4, 5, 12 and 13 are ground pin, and pin number 16 is VCC. This 5 volt is for the IC, to run the IC. This IC can control 2 motors. The output 1 and output 2 is for motor 1, and output 3 and 4 are for motor 2. Input 1 to control the output 1 pin, and input 2 to control the output 2 pin. And like this, input 3 is to control the output 3, and input 4 to control the output 4. Pin 1 is enable 1 and 2, that is input 1 and 2, and pin number 9 is enable 3 and 4, input 3 and input 4. Whenever we make this pin high, then all this pin will work. To activate this pin from pin 2 to 7, we have to make this pin, that is pin number 1, high. And like this, to activate pin number 10 to 15, we have to make pin 9 high. And also we can control the speed of the motor by using this pin. Pin number 1 for this motor and pin number 9 for this motor. If you want to run your motor at full speed, then just connect pin number 1 or pin number 9 to plus 5 volt. So this is all about pin number 1 and 9. Now come to pin number 8. Now see, you have connected 2 motors with this IC. If your motor is 5 volt motor, then you have to provide 5 volt to pin number 8. If your motor is 12 volt, then you have to provide 12 volt to pin number 8. And you can supply up to 36 volt to pin number 8. But you cannot change this 5 volt. This 5 volt is for IC. So this is the basic information of this IC. Now we'll see the circuit. First we'll connect the grounds with pin number 4, 5, 12 and 13. Then we'll connect the motor. I will connect positive pin of the motor to pin number 3 and negative to the 6. This negative will be connected to 11 and this positive will be connected to the 14. I am connecting like this. After this, I will connect 5 volt. As I am using 5 volt motor, so I will connect 5 volt with this. This is enable 1 or PWM input 1 and PWM input 2. But today we are going to run our motor at full speed, so we will connect these 2 pins to plus 5 volt. Now our motor will run at full speed. To provide input, I am going to connect a switch and other pin of the switch to plus 5 volt. And after this, it's better to use a pull down resistor 10 kilo ohms to all of the switch. So this will be our circuit. Now we are going to see this on breadboard. One request, please consider to subscribe my channel. This will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. This is the IC L293D. Pin number 4, 5, 12 and 13 are connected to the negative rail or ground. Pin number 1, 8, 9 and 16 are connected to the positive rail according to circuit. With pin number 2, 7, 10 and 15 we have to connect 10 kilo ohms resistor and then it is connected to the ground. Putting all the 4 switch. This 2 switch is for this side and this 2 switch is for this side. One pin of the switch is connected to the positive rail. With the other pin we have to connect to the IC. Switch 1, this is pin number 2, pin number 7, pin number 10 and pin number 15. So this is how we will provide the input. Now it's time to connect the motor. One motor will be connected to pin number 3 and 7 and other motor will be connected to pin number 11 and 14. One pin to pin number 14 and other pin to pin number 11. Here is another motor. One pin to pin number 3 and other pin to pin number 6. Now it's time to connect 5V power supply. Here it is negative and the positive. In the previous video I have explained how this H-bridge circuit works. As you can see, both the input is same condition 0 0. So in this condition our motor will not run. It is running anti-clockwise, clockwise. If both the input is same, it will not run. This will be same for this motor also, anti-clockwise, clockwise. If both the input is same, our motor will not run. Anti-clockwise, clockwise. So this is the basic way to control motors using this IC. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.